to forget him. I would please me. I know that I should go the challenge. Baby, it's not letting you. You treat me so much better than him. And if I would think there's no competition, but I'm in love with someone else. And I'm so sorry. Hey, hey. I'm in love with another man, and I know it ain't right. Hey, hey, you should go and find someone else who can treat you right, give you the world. Someone who understands the man you are, 'cause baby you shine so bright, and that would just dim your star. A girl who treats you like you treat them. Boy, I know there's plenty women who would love to have a man like you. But I'm in love with someone else. I'm so sorry, baby. Hey, and I know it ain't right. No, 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 for what I did to you, baby. I can't explain why it's him and not you. But at the end of the day, baby, I just don't want to. We ain't no doctor, and we always seem to fight. Got this perfect body, but sometimes you don't even treat me right. Oh, going out with him, going out with him. Hey, hey. I'm in love with another man, and I'm so sorry. Hey, I'm in love with another man. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.